Hello everyone, my name is Caleb McGrath and I'm doing my project over time management. My major is health science. Time management has become a problem. The reason behind it is because it can become difficult to many individuals as opposed to others. Key components of time management are overcoming procrastination, becoming organized, and creating a schedule for us throughout our day. The problem with time management is that not everyone knows how to utilize it to its full potential. And whenever we don't utilize our time to full potential, it can result in time wasted. Time wasted, well, really can't amount to much as opposed to whenever we do use it to amount to something, perhaps a goal. The universal similarity is that most students do not spend their time at the place that they have the highest hopes for. Other activities always become a distraction, such as work, friends, etc. etc. This is a similarity upon all college students universally. A study from ResearchGate emphasizes this quite well. The title, A Study on Time Management, Case of Northeast Normal University International Students, states that during the campus hours and days, all students have used about 1 to 5 hours on campus, and in the days of off-campus, 80% of students were allocating their time in off-campus activities in range of more than 11 hours. There's a big difference between that time frame, 6 and 11, which means that college students are spending majority of the time off-campus activities as opposed to using it to on-campus activities. There are multiple statistics shown throughout the study in ResearchGate. However, in this study, it emphasizes the similarities amongst majority of students, stating, table shows that more than 80% of students have their time allocation to study in the range of 6 to 10 hours, and 20% of students enjoy the time less than 6 hours. There in the statement above is proven that majority of students do enjoy school-related activities as opposed to the minimal amount of 20%, 80 to 20%. The same resource provides the differences among students, stating, in the days of off-campus, more than 80% of students were allocating their time in off-campus activities in range of more than 11 hours. This statistic emphasizes that although students may spend 6 to 11 hours of their day in school activities, majority of the students spend the other 11 hours of their day on off-campus activities. The solution to managing our time more effectively and properly are being able to manage the time properly is to create a schedule within organized and realistic time frames. This is entirely opposed to procrastination because it allows the individual to complete a quota or activity within a reasonable time frame. Procrastinations, however, is much more of an unrealistic time frame so that the matter does not feel as urgent or prioritized. Scheduling our day-to-day activities will allow us quite enough time to complete our activities and leave a reasonable amount of time to do personal activities, so that when we do participate in our personal activities, we do not get carried away or get distracted to where we spend more than necessary time needed. And here are my references from where I have received the information. Thank you and have a good day.